at high school. Episode 67. Splashing and playing. The water feels nice, Dipper said. You should come out, Jeff said. Yeah, Eddie said. Midfender would be mad. But Dipper didn't listen. She went in even deeper. Polly went closer to the water. The others followed. Rum, rum. They can splash into the water. Everyone laughed. Jeff scooped some water. Eddie dipped his tire. I'm going in, Zippy said. He joined into the race. Me too, Jeff said. He splashed into the water. Poppy went next. Come on, Eddie, she said. Eddie ran. This is fun, he said. Everyone splashed and played. Pop! Oh, Eddie said my engine stopped.